East Berlin Wall.
Let's sit here and
Got some more ice cream.
There's a bench right here.
Trying to go inside the cathedral. Let's see if it'll happen. These broken artifacts. I'm dying. I can't do it. I really can't do it. Ooh, I'm about that. God, please help me. Oh, Lord, give me this strength. I am weak. We have a long way to go. So much to go. We're up pretty high now. Still can't breathe. Now that's a view. Check out this view. I'm finally getting some nice misting for once. Look at that rainbow. Now pot of gold up. The crunchy chicken, got some french fries to share again.
Oh, that's
Auntie
considerate.
Patty got a cheeseburger, and Master got a barbecue burger. Finally got my GoPro back! But yeah, we just got back to Italy. Ryanair, more like trash air, am I right, ladies? We're back! Right, Roman? Leo, six camera. Thank you, Leo. Let's see the grubs.
Everybody's hungry.
Grubs.
Your mom should have eaten first.
Italian beef jerky that we're gonna try tomorrow.
My grandmother. Yeah.
Milk chicken. Milk chicken.
With
Yeah, Leo?
Bread.
Milk and the flour.